watches the world decay. He speaks of broken hearts, of worlds now torn apart. His lyre rests at his side, its tune so pure, so wide. Each note reveals the truth, what's hidden from our youth. He tells us hear the call, united we won't fall without the hate or fear. Together we'll see clear. This is the darkest hour, but unity gives power. Let's heal the wounds we feel to make the future real. The bard speaks of the night, where shadows steal the light. He warns of walls we raise that lock us in a maze. He sings of love we lost, of bridges burned in frost, but still his song reveals how unity can heal. He tells us hear the call, united we won't fall without the hate or fear. Together we'll see clear. This is the darkest hour, but unity gives power. Let's heal the wounds we feel to make the future real. The world is wide and torn, so full of pride and scorn, but still his voice can show the way for us to grow. He sings of kindness, pure, a bond that can endure. His melody for peace, where all this pain will cease. He tells us hear the call, united we won't fall without the hate or fear. Together we'll see clear. This is the darkest hour, but unity gives power. Let's heal the wounds we feel to make the future real. The world is in tonight, believes a guiding light. His words and hearts will stay and lead to brighter days.